Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how the smart switch for the smartphone works. And today my setup would be TV, and then my notebook, and then also my smartphone. Okay, so let's look at the smart switch first. This is the smart switch on my hand. On the left hand side, there's two HDMI port. One is for the smartphone and the other one is for the PC. And on the other side, here is the HDMI out for connection to your TV or display. And on the back of it, we have two USB ports for the keyboard and mouse. And then there is a smart pinhole for you to switch between the smartphone and your PC. And in the middle of it is the power source for the smart switch. Okay, now let's get started. Let's get it set up. First thing I will do is to get the power USB cord for the smart switch and connect it to the power source. And second I would do is connect the HDMI from the smartphone to the smart switch. This port here. Okay, so the next thing I would do is to connect the HDMI cable from the PC or notebook to the smart switch right here to this hole here. And then the next step will be connecting the HDMI cable from TV to the smart switch. Next is to connect the USB for the mouse and keyboard. Since I'll be using the wireless keyboard, so I'll be just using one dongle to control both. Okay, lastly, I will connect the USB cable to the to my smartphone. Okay, after you're done, first thing you'll need to do is to go to your Bluetooth and then you will find your KVM device and you click on it for connection to enable you to use the keyboard and mouse on your smartphone on TV. It's pairing. Okay, now we are done with all the connection stuff, and as you can see, I have my PC notebook desktop on the TV screen, and you can see my mouse works. And we'll now test the keyboard. Let's see, how can we test it? Microsoft Word. Yeah, it works. Nice. Now, on the keyboard, by pressing Alt and F2, and it will switch to the smartphone screen. And guess what? Your mouse works. And then let's see. Your keyboard also works. Very nice. So with this smart switch on the phone, you'll be able to demonstrate your applications on the big screen like this. Okay, and then on the PC side, so let's go back to the PC by pressing Alt and F1. it will switch back to the PC. And on the PC, you can do a demonstration of, for instance, PowerPoint slides or material that you want to demonstrate, something like this. Very nice. Okay, thank you very much.